हाय, कभी आपने कोई बिट किया है? आप कहोगे कि मैंने कभी किसी ऑक्शन में तो गया नहीं, तो बिट कैसे करूँगा? अगर मैं ये कहूँ कि आप अपने रिलेशनशिप में हमेशा बिट कर रहे हो, तो यू वोंट एग्री टू दिस, राइट? लेट मी एक्सप्लेन। मेरा जो आज का जो डिस्कशन पॉइंट है, दैट इज द थर्ड प्रिंसिपल, एंड दैट इज अबाउट टर्निंग टुवर्ड्स ईच अदर इंस्टेड ऑफ टर्निंग अवे. Study says that the couple who engages themselves in lot of interactions, they tend to remain happy. What happens is that when they have these brief exchanges, they are attuning by turning towards each other. By doing so, they are actually increasing their mutual trust and respect. In the marriage, the couples are always doing some efforts for each other, for each other's attention, affection, you can say for humor, for support. Whatever these efforts they make, these are called bids. Let me give you an example. Spouse is having some bad day in the office. So the other partner is sending a text message, some encouraging text message. Now the partner can respond to it by appreciating the effort, or the partner can just ignore it, right? So when the partner appreciates, he is actually turning towards the bid. Bid kya tha? Sending some encouraging text message. So he is responding to it by appreciating, that is, he is turning towards the bid. And if he ignores that message, he is turning away from the bid. Now every time you are actually turning towards the bid, you are funding your emotional bank account. फायदा क्या होता है? During the bad phase of your life, these emotional bank accounts acts as a cushion. The more you have this emotional bank account, more safe you are, and then you can actually those bad phases में आप अच्छी तरह से उसको झेल सकते हो, या you can just deal those bad phases in a better way. Now the question is how you will be aware that when you are getting the bids. Bids तो कोई बोल के आएगा नहीं. तो you need to be actually aware of each and every mini moments of your life or mini moments of your exchanges कि कब आपके पास वो बिड आ रहा है. You have options either to turn towards it or turn away from it. स्टडी कहता है कि being helpful to each other will do far more to strengthen your marriage rather than आपका 2 वीक का जो वेकेशन. आप 2 वीक का वेकेशन में जाओगे तो जो आपका फ़ायदा होगा, इससे ज़्यादा फ़ायदा आपको होगा जब आप ये टर्न टूवर्ड्स एंड यू हेल्प योर पार्टनर बाय गिविंग दिस प्रॉपर सपोर्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. टर्निंग टूवर्ड्स इज एक्चुअली वर्क्स अंडर द लॉज ऑफ इमोशनल फीडबैक और यू कैन से द लॉज ऑफ पॉजिटिव फीडबैक. क्या होता है, अभी आपने कभी ये बर्फ़ के गोले को रोल डाउन करते हुए देखा है फ्रॉम हिल टॉप्स? While it's rolled down, it becomes bigger and bigger in size, right? The same thing, आपका जो small efforts होता है turning towards the bids will give you enormous results. आपका जो emotional bank account है that will become bigger and bigger. So friends, the choice is yours now. You need to be actually mindful about all the bids that is coming towards you, and you can either turn towards it or turn away from it. Please remember that when you turn towards it, you are actually funding your bank account, and आपका marriage long lasting and happy रहेगा. Thank you so much.